This is a complete course on the Thompson Submachine Gun from American Gunsmithing Institute. So everything you want to know about the history, the operation, the maintenance, the cleaning, and the modifications of these historic firearms. If you don't know the story of American Gunsmithing Institute, they started as one of the longest running and first gunsmithing colleges in the country, and they started in the 80s to record their lessons and eventually got to DVD, and now you can get a DVD with the entire course of instruction, everything about all the different versions of the Thompson, all its history, and again its maintenance and cleaning. It's a complete technical manual as well as the history. It's a very cool approach to get the information that you would normally have to go to school for. Hope this helps.